Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Been a few days here. Been tied up with 2 bathrooms and a laundry room remodel. Going to bed early, getting up early, being helpful as best I can. So anyway, back to it. I'll try to do these best I can. They're not finished yet. I am, but they're not. So I may have to spread these out a few days. Today's cocktail is going to be the Enchanted Orchard. Comes from Death & Company 2011. Joaquín Simó. And it comes in at 26%. So pretty hefty, great tasting cocktail. It's going to call for 1.5 Acholado Pisco. 1.5. And 1/2 VSOP calvado. I'm going to use XO calvado. 1/2. And 1/2 Benedictine. Favorite liquor that goes with it, almost everything. 1/2. And 1/2 pineapple juice. Here's the Dole, 100%. Not from concentrate if you can find it. Or you can squeeze your own juice. And 1/2 lemon juice. This is fresh lemon juice. And 1/2 acacia honey syrup. This is 2 acacia honey to 1 water. This is really hard to find in any store, so you may have to order this online. A little bit expensive, but it's a very, very mild honey. 1/2. Okay, and I've got a Mai Tai glass here, a double rocks glass with a 2-inch clear cube, which I make myself. I'm going to dry shake this. I don't want to destroy this 26% alcohol by volume. Okay, pour that over the cube. And a cinnamon stick for garnish. And there we have it. This is the Enchanted Orchard. I think you're going to like this one. I appreciate y'all watching and subscribing. Really helps out. Thumbs up helps out. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers so I can do some more extra things with YouTube. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.